Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to continue with lesson number 17, Introduction to Biotechnology. Now we will be learning about plant tissue. Plant tissue is divided into two, meristematic tissues and permanent tissues. Let us learn detailed about these tissues. First one is meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue is present in specific parts of a plant. Growth occurs in those parts only. Cells of meristematic tissue contain thick cytoplasm, a conspicuous nucleus, and a thin cell wall and are compactly packed together. Vacuoles are usually absent in these cells. To bring about plant growth is the main function of meristematic tissue. According to the location, meristematic tissues is of three types. They are apical meristem, intercalary meristem and lateral meristem. Apical meristem is present at the tip of the root and stem. Intercalary meristem is present at the base of the petiole of leaves and of branches. Lateral meristem is present on the lateral side of roots and stem. The function of the apical meristem is to increase the length of the root and the stem. The function of intercalary meristem is to help the growth of branches, formation of leaves and flowers. Lateral meristem helps to increase girth of the root and stem. Next is permanent tissue. New cells formed by division of meristematic tissue lose their ability to divide and start to perform a specific function at specific place. Thus, they permanently acquire a specific structure, shape and location and perform a specific function. This is called as differentiation, and permanent tissues are formed from these differentiated cells. The permanent tissues are two types. They are simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. First one is simple permanent tissue. Simple permanent tissue is made up of only one type of cells. There are three types of simple permanent tissues: parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. First one is parenchyma. Parenchyma cells are living cells with a thin cell wall and intercellular space. These present all parts like root, stem, leaves, flowers and seeds. Their function is support, storage of food and filling vacant spaces. Chlorenchyma and arenchyma are subtype of these tissues. Chlorenchyma perform photosynthesis. Arenchyma helps in aquatic plants, leaves and stem to float. Next is collenchyma. Elongated living cells with thickened cell wall at corners due to cellulose and pectin. They are present at the base of the leaf petiole, branches and stem. Their function is support and flexibility to various parts. Next is sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma cells are dead and fibrous cells with tapering ends. Cell wall contains lignin. They are present at stem, veins of leaves, hard coats of seeds, outer covering of coconut. Function: give strength and rigidity to parts of the plant. Next is complex permanent tissues. The types of complex permanent tissues are xylem and phloem. Xylem consists of thick-walled dead cells. Types of cells are xylem fibers, tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma. Xylem parenchyma are living cells. Xylem fibers, tracheids and vessels are dead cells. Its function is to conduct water and minerals only in upward direction. Next is phloem. Phloem consists of cytoplasm containing living cells. The types of cells are sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. Phloem fibers are dead cells. Sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma are living cells. Its function is to conduct sugar and amino acids from leaves to various parts in upward and downward direction. Let us revise what we have learned now. Plant tissues are divided into two, meristematic tissues and permanent tissues. Meristematic tissues are further divided into apical meristem, lateral meristem and intercalary meristem. Permanent tissues are divided into two, simple tissue and complex tissue. Simple permanent tissues are parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Complex permanent tissues are xylem and phloem. I hope this part is clear to all. Thank you. Have a nice day.